Let's get started by thinking about how we make decisions every day. Every day we make hundreds of decisions. Most of them happen quickly, often without sitting down with a spreadsheet or running the numbers every time. That is because we are using something called rules of thumb. So what exactly is a rule of thumb? A rule of thumb is a simple decision shortcut. It is a quick way of saying, if this happens, then I will do that. For example, I will put back on about 40 kilograms of nitrogen per ton of grain removed. Or, I will not upgrade machinery unless it pays for itself within 7 years. The important thing to remember is that you are not alone in using these shortcuts. Everyone uses rules of thumb, including growers, advisors, and consultants. This is not lazy thinking. It is a practical and necessary way to manage complex systems when time, information, and certainty are limited. Let's look at why we rely on these mental shortcuts. Rules of thumb exist because constantly analyzing every single decision would be absolutely exhausting. They help us act quickly and reduce mental load. They also help us stay consistent. When conditions are stable and the rule is based on sound experience or good information, rules of thumb often work very well. However, sometimes it is crucial to review these trusted shortcuts. Farming systems do not stay the same. Prices change, scale changes, technology changes, and climate risk changes. A rule that made sense 5 or 10 years ago might quietly stop serving you, or even start increasing risk without you realizing. In this workshop, we are not here to say rules of thumb are inherently good or bad. We are here to prompt a reflection. We are here to ask, what rules do you use without even thinking about it? And, crucially, do they still rule under today's conditions? To help you get started, let's look at some areas where you might find your own rules of thumb. Think about decisions where you don't usually run the numbers, focusing on inputs, machinery, timing, or benchmark numbers you keep in your head. If you catch yourself saying things like, I always, I never, or that's not worth it unless, you have probably found a rule of thumb. Now let's explore these further in our workshop.